Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Carens Rondo 2013 to 2016. Yes. Okay. Let me introduce. This stereo will come with special harness you can check. This is special Kia harness. Connect back head unit this, and this is for special plug. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose the time here. You can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Let me choose a Belsee. This is home button. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the settings. You can change this color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Let me check the settings. You can check this PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back the home. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. There is pin number 40. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open my car, my phone. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search button. Okay, it's searched Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. Your phone will get command. Okay, put the 40. Okay, it's changed color, show Bluetooth echo. You can make phone call. Okay. You can stream music from your phone, A2DP. Volume from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. All apps are here. It's built in Google Play Store and YouTube, Google Maps. They are not to show the maps because our country doesn't can service Google service. Okay. This music from USB. USB 3. Okay. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. This is AutoKit for Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay, let me introduce Connect Android Auto. This is USB dongle from Belsee. This is Samsung original USB. Please click OK. Okay, it show connecting. Okay, it connects Google Android Auto. Let me connect the VPN. Because our country doesn't can visit using Google service. Okay, this ways. You can double click to. You need to log in with Waze. With Google Maps. You can make a phone call, connect the Bluetooth, hang up. With Google Play Music. Okay. You can listen music under Spotify. Okay, this is Android Auto. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.